Hello, friend. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Miramar Invitational track meet. I understand this track meet take place each year, but because this is an Olympic year, we have many contestants that have qualified for the U.S. team and other national teams of different countries that's participating. The event that I'm walking up on now is the 100-meter hurdles for the women. Alaysha Johnson is in lane 1. Cindy Sember of Germany is in lane 2. Amber Hughes of the U.S. is in lane 3. Sharissa Taylor of the Bahamas is in lane 4. Tonea Marshall of the U.S. is in lane 5.
Don't hurt your knees, okay? I know.
Demisha Roswell of Jamaica is in lane 6. Amoi Brown of Jamaica is in lane 7. And Marlene Jean of Haiti is in lane 8.
In lane 6 with a personal best of 13.23 from the United States, Michael Dickson. And in lane 7 with a personal best of 13.56 from Haiti, Yves Cherubin.
That's going to be his highest praise tomorrow.
I don't know.